Hello everyone, I'm Bayu Putra Pratama from the Management Program with NPM 2341192. In this part, we will discuss the basic of text introduction, its definition, type, and element of text. Let's get started to better understand the foundation of texts. What is text? Taxation is one of the main pillars of a country and economy. It serves as a means for the governments to collect revenue from its citizens and corporations, which is the use to finance public service and development projects. Without taxations, a government will struggle to provide basic needs such as infrastructure, healthcare, and education. Key roles of taxation: financing national and regional budgets, supporting public welfare program, regulating income distribute, influencing economic behavior through tax policy. Tax. Tax is a mandatory payment collected by the government from individual or legal entities. Without direct return of benefit, it is regulated by law and enforced to meet the collective need of society. Taxes are not the donation of voluntary contribution. They are obligations that help maintain state functionally. Characteristic: compulsory for eligible taxpayer, no direct benefit or return, enforced by national or local tax law, used to serve public and national interests. What is a type of tax based on collection authority? Central taxes, national government is number one: income tax, PPH, value added tax, VAT or PPN, land and building tax for plantation, forestry, mining, luxury goods sales tax. And regional taxes, local governments, motor vehicle tax, hotel and restaurants tax, entertainment tax, and street lighting tax. Type of taxes based on object and nature. Now, A, based on object. Number one, direct tax, paid directly to the government. Example, income tax, land and building tax. Indirect tax applied to good and service collected by three parties. Example, VAT, excise tax. SB, based on nature, subjective tax, tax into account personal condition. Example, income tax. Objective tax, focus only on the object regardless of taxpayer status. Example, VAT. Classification of tax based on purpose: fiscal tax, primary source of government's revenue; non-fiscal tax, used to regulate or control economic activities. Example, tobacco tax. Based on system of collection is number one, official assessment system. Tax amount is calculated by the government's self-assessment system. Taxpayer calculate and reports their own tax. And last, withholding system. The parties dedicate and pay tax on behalf of the taxpayer. Main element of tax is number one, tax subject. This person or entity that has the legal obligation to pay the tax. Example, individual and companies. And number two, tax objects. The item, activity, and income paying tax. Example, income, sales, and property. As number three, tax rate, the percentage of fixed amount applied to the tax object. And number 4, tax base, the amount of which the tax rate is applied. Is number 5, tax authority, the official institution responsible for tax collection, Director General of Tax in Indonesia. Conclusion, taxation is essential for the economic sustainability and growth of a nation. It provides the financial backbone for our public service and national development. By understanding the definition, classification, and element of tax, individual and business can better comply with their obligation and support a transparent and fair tax system. Okay, thank you very much for the watching my video and next to my video.